Hello everyone, this is Balaji. So in this video, we are going to discuss about one of the heavyweighted championship in Nifty 50. I think you already guessed. Yes, we are going to discuss about Reliance Industries itself. So when we talking about Reliance Industries, it was consolidated around more than 6 months in weekly time frame. It was tested the patience of the investors already. Today is one of the power pack performance came from Reliance. It's a market driver today as well. So it was gained around 4.25 percentage in as a intraday gain today. So how we can take this? Is there is any indication for the further move, or what is the reason behind today Reliance gain? So this kind of stuff we are going to discuss in this video. I hope it will be more useful for your further investment, decision making in Reliance. So yeah, let's move to the video. Before that, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and support. Okay, so power up, press action. Okay, right, no issue. Now coming back to the topic. Actually, I was taken Reliance Industries weekly time frame chart. So now you can able to see some kind of lines around the chart. So what was this actually? So before that, I just explained something here. So you can able to see this line, right? So actually this line is the primary trend resistance of Reliance Industries in long term time frame. Okay, it was tested around 3 times. 3 swings are there. So I just connect these 3 swings in a upward direction. So it just look at this, you can able to see some stuff. It will indicate the trend of the Reliance Industries in a very clear manner. So once it break from 17 around 2026, 1 year back, it just broken these lines, then shoot up for some other narrow trend. After reached approximately 2339, it was corrected. Okay, so after that 6 months of consolidation happened as of now in Reliance. So it was not closing below this flag pattern as well as the primary trend line. This was the key indication for the Reliance to the grip of the investor as well as the grip of the demand still live in the weekly time frame. Okay, this is not a indication for downtrend. This is a pure indication for uptrend. The demand is still there in a long term chart. That's what the weekly time frame chart not traded below the flag pattern or not break below the support line of the flag. Okay, this is a clear indication for the accumulation phase happened in a weekly time frame with the help of flag pattern. Okay, so now coming back to the topic, we going to discuss about in a short term manner. I just taken a daily time frame. So here you can able to see that the power pack performance, see how much gain, around a 4.45% gained in a single day. This is a huge gain till last 6 months. This is a beautiful gain also. So how we can take this? This is any opportunity for further move in Monday or coming week? Yes, we are going to elaborate about it. So I just taken weekly time frame back. I just drawn one horizontal line. Okay, so why I am drawing this horizontal line in sense, here you can able to see this is a consolidation phase for here. Okay, it was acted as a support here for 1 2 3 4 5 6, around 2 months of consolidation happened above the line. Okay, so after that it just started rising, then started falling. When Reliance was tried to pull back, it was not able to break this level. It will it was acted as a crucial resistance as well as support for this consolidation phase. So this is what I am trying to say. This it was break today in a weekly time frame, as well as it was tested the resistance of the flag pattern. If the breakout happen in a daily time frame, daily chart, it will happen above 2020 120 means definitely it will go up to huge rally awaiting in Reliance. Okay, please watch out this level. So I think this is a great opportunity for Reliance in this situation to invest again. Okay, so it was already tested the patience of the investors when they are accumulating in this consolidation. So more than 6 to 7 months, it's a huge consolidation. Anyway, the consolidation once upon a time will break the, why I am saying, so this is a higher low formation in a weekly time frame. Okay, if it did not break this level without the market support, it just came down to this level, it will be around 1. Again consolidation will happen once, whether consolidating or breakout, but the breakout possibilities is favorable for weekly time frame with the confirmation of today heavy gained. Okay, so please consider this. I think you get some point today with this video. So initial level of target will be around the lifetime high once it break this level. Okay, so please be conscious on this. Okay, I think I hope this video will help you to further decision making in Reliance. Okay, so price movement will be like this. Once it consolidating again, it will came back to the 2000, then maybe it will again shoot up, or else it just break next week, then it will redirect to the lifetime high. So let's see what will happen. Okay, so thank you so much my dear friends. Thank you.